Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to enable call screening on your iPhone on the latest iOS 26 update. This will allow you to go ahead and screen any calls before they even come to you. So the first thing you are going to do is open up your settings. From your settings here, we are going to go all the way down to the apps. Now from the apps here, we are going to go ahead either search or find the phone app. So it's going to be under the P section here. So we are going to click on the phone, and in the phone app, we are going to go down a little bit further to screen unknown calls. Now, by default, what's happened is calls from unsaved numbers will ring and it will appear in the missed call. However, now there's a new option that allows you to ask a reason for calling. So the phone will automatically ask the caller for the reason, and you can see that before it rings. So as you can see here, the calls from unseen number will be asked for more information. So you can decide if you want to pick it up or not. And the other option you also have, which was in the past, was you can also silence just the call and they will just be sent to the voicemail. But if you use asks for a reason for calling, it will screen your call. Now, depending upon your carrier that you have, you might have additional option for call filtering, like unknown callers can be silenced and put them into unknown caller list. Also, there is an option which can block specific spam calls. Again, all depending upon your carrier that you have, but with this selected with the iOS 26, calls from now on will be screened before they came to. So that's how you can enable it. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. Please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.